So you guys, we have street games price airdrop here. So the price is 0. There's plenty zeros, 1 to 4. So you can see the pump is currently in good shape. The lows were from 0.001 to that of 1252. So all you need to do for this Wall Street Games token, you need to add it to your watch list. You need to have an account on Coinmarketcap, and these are some of the statistics here. So the market data is currently tracked. You can see market cap 16. That's about $16 million. We have fully diluted cap $125,025. They have about 1 trillion of these tokens in market maximum supply. So that's massive. Then these on a Binance Smart Chain contract. So they said they want to give out $21,000 airdrop by with games on Coinmarketcap. So each individual is going to get about 16 million of these tokens. Is it 16 million? Okay, each individual is getting about 16 million of this token. This token is worth about 161 billion. That's massive, guys. 161 billion. So I'm giving about 16 million, 161 million. Okay, each individual is getting about 161 million. So that's massive, guys. So for game lovers and crypto enthusiasts, stock lovers, this is something you need to participate in. This airdrop is going to run from August 10th to August 15th. It's a 5 days airdrop. It's currently upcoming, so just you need to set an alarm clock so you know when this airdrop starts. August kicks off. So these are updates, so you have heads on what to expect. So have an account on Coinmarketcap and follow this. I'll be dropping these steps in the description box below so you can follow them, guys. So I hope this YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and drop your comment in the comment section below. We'll try as much as possible to assist you in the best possible way. So peace out, guys. One love, is your back.